Normal serum concentration can be ranging from 8.5 mg per deciliter to 10.5 mg per deciliter. There are two main types of extracellular calcium, which is diffusible and non-diffusible. Free ionized calcium and complex calcium are considered as diffusible forms. In complex calciums, calcium binds with oxalates, phosphate. Only the free ionized form is physiologically active. Let's discuss about the hormonal regulation of calcium metabolism. There are three main hormones involved in calcium metabolism. Two of them are involved in increased serum calcium concentration, and one, the calcitonin, is involved in decreased serum calcium concentration. The parathyroid hormone and activated vitamin D3 is involved in increasing serum calcium concentration. Parathyroid hormone, it is produced by the parathyroid glands. Parathyroid gland chief cells synthesize the proparathyroid hormone. When there is low serum calcium concentration, it is detected by the receptors of chief cells in parathyroid gland and stimulate the secretion of parathyroid hormone. It acts on osteoclasts and increase bone breakdown. In kidneys, PTH acts on both proximal and distal tubules. In proximal tubules, it increases urinary phosphate excretion, and in distal tubules, it increases calcium reabsorption from urine. PTH also promotes the activation of vitamin D. Activated vitamin D3 increases the gut absorption of calcium. Let's talk about vitamin D. PTH promotes the activation of vitamin D3. The activated form acts on intestine and increase calcium and phosphate absorption. Activated vitamin D also acts on bone osteoclast and increase bone resorption. In kidneys, it stimulates calcium and phosphate reabsorption. So altogether, it increases serum calcium and phosphate concentrations. Calcitonin is responsible for decrease in serum calcium level. It is secreted by parafollicular C cells. When there is increased serum calcium level, it stimulates the receptors on parafollicular C cells. Calcitonin reduces the bone resorption and reduces the serum calcium level. And also calcitonin acts on distal convoluted tubules and reduce calcium and phosphate reabsorption. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to the channel. We will meet you in our next video.